During an excavation in a dense forest, the team discovered a pipe leading underground. This was particularly surprising because they were standing on what was once an extinct volcano, now completely overgrown with trees and grass. To investigate further, they decided to send a night vision camera into the pipe. At about 30 meters down, the camera revealed a massive tunnel. Welcome to Darkside Tale. It was March 2018, near the city of Lublin in southern Poland. As the camera explored the tunnel, it captured something astonishing, a railway track. While the team was still contemplating the purpose of this track, their attention was drawn to an abandoned mine cart sitting nearby. Upon informing the local authorities, they brought along an old map of a long-lost World War II-era tunnel. This discovery matched the tunnel precisely. The entrance had been sealed with heavy stones, now hidden beneath years of soil and vegetation. Inside the tunnel, the railway tracks and the mine cart suggested that it was used for storing supplies during the war. Many iron objects inside the tunnel were rusted, and tools like shovels, drill bits, and pickaxes were found in the same condition they had been left in nearly 80 years ago. During World War II, Nazi Germany constructed thousands of underground bunkers and tunnels. Initially designed as a defensive measure, these bunkers also served offensive purposes, offering protection from airstrikes and artillery shells while providing soldiers with secure bases. Hitler's forces built these structures with strategic importance, as they were used to store ammunition, house soldiers, and conduct secret operations. One notable system, the Atlantic Wall, stretched over 2,400 miles, approximately 3,800 kilometers, along Europe's coastline. Built between 1940 and 1944, this massive coastal defense system was designed to protect against Allied invasions. It included thousands of bunkers, ammunition depots, and fortresses. The construction was overseen by German engineer Fritz Toth's organization and carried out by over 260,000 forced laborers, many of whom were prisoners. The Allied forces faced significant challenges breaking through the Atlantic Wall. For instance, in 1942, the Canadian forces attempted an attack on Dieppe in France, known as the Dieppe Raid. The attack aimed to understand how the wall operated. However, the strong concrete bunkers repelled the assault, causing heavy Allied casualties. This failure highlighted the need for advanced planning and resources to overcome such defenses. By the time of D-Day on June 6, 1944, the Allies had mobilized over 156,000 troops, 5,000 ships, and 11,000 aircraft to counter the Atlantic Wall. Despite initial losses, the Allied forces eventually succeeded in breaching the defenses, marking a turning point in the war. In addition to Germany, countries like Japan also built intricate underground systems during the war. For example, on Iwo Jima, the Japanese constructed a network of tunnels and bunkers designed for hidden artillery positions and surprise attacks. These systems were highly effective in resisting Allied advances, causing significant casualties. The construction of these bunkers and tunnels during World War II was nothing short of an engineering marvel. Despite shortages of resources and constant threats of airstrikes, thousands of these structures were completed. Today, many remain buried and forgotten, serving